This is Pedakotla Others Kumarreddy. In this video, I am explaining about the UEFA overview, Union of European Football Association. This is the complete SQL project. In this, I used 5 datasets that are loaded into the PostgreSQL that are the goal analysis, match analysis, player analysis, and team analysis, and stadium analysis. These totally questions, and I will show the execution process one by one. And first, here it is the tables. I uploaded the goals, matches, players, stadiums, and then teams. Next, it is showing first question. Which player scored the most goals in each session? Here I am executing this one. And here I am using some keywords count, rank, partition by, and group by, and where. Here it is the showing season, player name, and total goals. 16 to 17, Cristiano Ronaldo, and 12 goals. And 17 to 18, Ronaldo same. And total 15 goals. And 18 to 19, Messi, and 12 goals. Next one is the how many goals did each player score in a given season. And I'm executing this one. Here also same. Total goals, 12. And Cristiano Ronaldo's 16 to 17, and same season. Lionel Messi also total 11 goals. And next one is the what is the total number of goals scored in MT 403 match. Here I used where for match ID. It will give the exact goals. Here it is the totally four. Four. And next one is the which player assisted the most goals in each season. And here I am executing. Here the 16 to 17 and player name and total assists 9 and 17 to 18 assists 8. James Milner. And next one is the which player have the scored goals more than 10 matches. Here I am executing, and more than 10 matches means here is the player name and matches scored for 13 and 17, and here is the Cristiano Ronaldo only 31. The next one is the what is the average number of goals scored per match in a given season. Here I use left join. It is the season and the average goals per match. 16 to 17 3.04, 17 to 18 3.208 based on that season and the average goals per match. Next one is the which player has the most goals in a single match. They asked a single match. That is the player name and match ID and match scored. It is the match ID I mentioned. A total is scored 4. Which team scored the most goals in all seasons? He is asking all seasons. That is the 142. And team is Paris Saint Germain. Next one is the which stadium hosted the most goals scored in a single season. Here it is I am executing. And it is the season is 1920 and Red Bull Arena total goals 27. Next one is the match analysis and match tables. What was the highest scoring match in a particular season? Here asking highest scoring match in a particular season. Match it is MT1 season is 2021-2022 and total goals is 9. How many matches ended in a draw in a given season? Here I used where group by classes, and it is the 16 to 17 total draw matches 33, and same season wise and give draw matches totally. And next one is the which team had the highest average score, home and away win in the season 21 to 2022. Here I mentioned limit 1. That's why it is showing only 2021 to 2022, and the average score is 3 points something. And next one is the how many penalty shootouts occurred in each season, because there is no shootouts. That's why it will showing empty. And next one is the what is the average attendance of home teams in the 2021 to 2022 season. It is the average home attendance in 2021 to 2022. And next one is the which stadium hosted the most matches in each season. And stadium Santiago Bernabeu, Allianz Stadium, Stade Louis, and it is the showing match count 6, 16 to 17 and season wise. Next one is the what is the distribution matches played in different countries in a season. It is the answer. It will showing Spain and Germany, England match count. Next one is the what is the common result in match home win, away win, and draw. Here it is the showing home win 327 among three. Next one is the player analysis from the players table, including assets. Here it will showing total contribution 1620, and player name is Robert Lewandowski. Next one is the what is the average height and weight player per position. It will asking position. That way it will showing fitness, technical, republic, athletic, goalkeeper based on this position, average height and average weight it will be showing. Next one is the which player has the most goals scored with the left foot. Only Lionel Messi. Total goals 42. Next one is the what is the Average age of players per team. Average age it will asking, and it is 29, 30, 28, and based on the team wise. Next one is the how many players are listed playing for a team, each team in a season. Here I am executing, and season, team, and total players. Next one is the which player has played in the most matches in each season. Each season, it will be showing 16 to 17 and matches played and also player name. What is the most common position players across all the teams? It will be showing only midfielder. Player count 805. Which player have never scored a goal? It will be showing these are the player names. Next one is the team analysis. Which team has the largest home stadium for capacity? It will be showing the stadium name and capacity and also team name. Next one is the which team each country participated in the UEFA competition in a season. It will be showing season, country, and team name. Based on that, we will conclude which one it concludes. Next one is the which team scored the most goals across home team and away matches in a given season. This is the team name and total goal 27. Next one is the how many teams home stadiums each city or country based on the city, country, and total teams. Which team had the most home wins in the 2021 to 2022 season? Based on that season, Manchester City home wins 5. Next one is the stadium analysis. Which stadium has the highest capacity? Spotify Camp Nova. How many stadiums are located in Russia country or London city? It will be showing 13. Which stadium hosted the most matches during a season? Based on that match count, stadium, and season wise, it will be showing. Next one is the what is the average capacity of teams participated in each season? So it will be. I'm executing this one. Yeah, it is the showing average stadium capacity and season wide. How many teams play in a stadium with a capacity of 50,000? Total 32 teams. Which stadium has the highest attendance during a season? It will be executing. This is the average attendance and stadium on a team wide. What is the distribution of stadium capacities by country and country total stadiums average capacity and total capacity? Next one is the totally combined total combined from the tables. Which player scored the most goals in matches held at specific stadium? Specific stadium, Red Bull Arena. This is the player name. This is the score. Goals scored. Next one is the which team won the home matches in the season 2021 to 2022 based on match score. It is the Manchester City. Which player? Which player? Next one is the which player played a team that scored the most goals in the 2021 to 2022 season. Here it will be. I am executing this one. Yeah, this is the answer. Score difference. Next one is the how many goals did players score in the matches that ended in a penalty shootouts? It's zero. And next one is the what is the distribution of the home team versus away teams from all season? It is the difference. Next one is the which team the most goals are the highest attended matches. And team on the total goals is 3. Next one is the what is the total number of goals scored who are position as defender. Total 260. Next one is the which player scored the goals in matches that were held in stadiums with a capacity of 6,000. This is the player name. Next one is how many goals scored in matches played in specific stadiums in a season. Total goals 10. Which player scored goals with the highest attendance over because there is no that's why it will showing 0. Here is the additional complexes. Which stadium has the highest average score difference between home and away team? It will be showing score difference. Next one is the how many player scored in every match they played during a given season. It is the season and player count. And next one is the which, which team won the most matches with the goal difference of 3 or more in the 21. That's why I rank 3. This one totally 6. Which player from a specific has the highest country per match ratio? This is the I'm executing showing. Thank you.